Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to extract audio in InShot. If you're new to InShot and you don't know how to extract audio, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the InShot app on your phone. Now choose the option that you prefer. Now select one of the video that you want to edit. Click here to add it to your timeline. Now to extract the audio, simply click on audio and now choose the file that you want to extract the audio of. After that, simply click on extract audio button right here. And just like that, our audio has been extracted. And now if we delete this extracted file, our video will have no audio. And just like this, we can extract audio in InShot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.